Time now for something very exciting on PPMA TV, brought to you with Mark and Marge. It's a new product. We love new product launches here at the PPMA Show. My friend Travis from Alphabond has got exactly that. It's innovation with a capital I. Travis, this is safety you can see. What is it that we're looking at on here? Because frankly, I'm looking at this thinking I'm feeling a bit peckish, but I would not necessarily want to eat what look like sweets here. What is it?
Yeah, so this is the very latest in hot melt innovation, hot melt adhesive technology innovation, based on a product called Ultimate Cool 98, which, as I mentioned earlier, runs at 98 degrees.
So this is adhesive, this is glue for sticking packaging together, sticking boxes together, for example.
Exactly right. Sorry, I should have just made that clear. So this is the product that's commonly used in food factories, drinks factories, for sealing cases and cartons on maybe wraparound machines, high-speed cartoners, slow-speed cartoners, sleeving machines, you name it.
And so glue, brilliant, we understand what glue is. What's the problem, though, with that hot glue?
So older generations of adhesives, when they run in the system at perhaps 160, 170 degrees, the tendency to burn, char, or indeed degrade, causing downtime, is very high. Right. When you run at 98, these low temperatures, that probability, that chance is eliminated. So just for an example, you could leave this running, we've tested it, in the tank for even 5 weeks without turning it off, come back to it, just be as it was, no change. Okay,
and obviously heating it to a lower temperature, that's better for the environment and better for energy consumption. Here is something that you showed me earlier on, and this is, you're mentioning how long you can keep glue heated for before it starts to degrade. Just chat us through this chart here and what the difference is then from the left-hand column to the right.
Yeah, so this is just a quick visual representation of what I was just describing before, in that older adhesives start yellow and go to black. We're talking 30-year-old technology there. The very latest in adhesive technology from Alphabond, by the name of Ultimate Cool 98, runs at 98, starts clear or white, and stays in that same state for 5, 6, 7 weeks without any degradation. What the impact of that is for a food factory is that when this char, this burning happens, that's money, that's cost of downtime, that's maybe some spare parts, that's maybe some new filters, hoses, etc.
Right. So we've got glue that can be heated, lower temperatures, glue that doesn't degrade over time, so lots of pluses there. But coming back to the health and safety point of view and really leading us on to why we're seeing pink, reds, coloured glue coming out of the nozzle down there, and then as it's changing blue down here, just kind of chat us through what it is you're demoing here and why that's important from a safety point of view.
Yeah, so this is really the flagship launch, as you said, innovation with a capital I at the show here today. This is Safe Melt. This is Safe Melt from Alphabond Technologies, which is totally unique. It's patent pending. It was first shown to the world 1 day ago, launched on Tuesday at the beginning of this show. And what it is it's based on the technology we've just been discussing, the Ultimate Cool 98, but this is Safe Melt 98. When it comes out of the nozzle at 98 degrees, it's red, it's pink in colour. At 47 degrees, it changes from a red state to a blue state, indicating, therefore, safety you can see, and meaning that visibly in the food factory, the operators, the users of this product can see that, hang on a minute, the glue's cold, or maybe don't put your hand on a machine part, or it's dangerous if it's still red. It's bringing that safety visible. It's playing to visible factory. All the things that we're trying to do at the moment, this is kind of the epitome of just that.
So if, Rob, you come in here, I don't know if you've got a shot in there, but if you have a look in this beaker here where all of these droplets of glue are appearing, they're coming off the conveyor belt, they're landing in this kind of pinky reddy state, and then as they cool down, you've got this wonderful blue. I'm going to take a gamble. Yep, I can feel these are warm. My hand isn't very good as a thermometer, so I couldn't tell you if this is 47 odd degrees or not, but there's certainly some heat there. But as they cool down, they turn into this very fetching blue. Like you say, safety you can see, it's a very good demonstration, and for anyone walking by and chatting, we can see that. But you've got another way of demonstrating with one of these little hand heater pouchy things that my kids have to keep their hands warm at the bus stop at the winter. Just talk me through this demo.
Yeah, so what we've done is we've brought along a machine and so on to demonstrate the product at the show today, and we thought, well, let's make it something that people can take home. So we've got a hand warmer here. It's obviously blue because it's not activated, and when you let's hope this works, eh? When you activate the metal pouch, there we are. You can see it's starting to starting to explode, and when this hits the beads, the granules, I'll just maybe...
Those that were blue, when the heat hits them, they're going...
Red, pink.
That's much more red, I think.
Exactly, I'm allowed it, am I? So this is Safe Melt in action. This is a demonstration. We've been giving these out to visitors to the show today, and many have been taking it home, some for their, as you say, wife, grandkids, etc., and some just to take it back to the factory boardroom and demonstrate in real life what it is that Alphabond are showing at the PPMA 2022 show here today.
Fantastic. So just to make it very clear, there's the red, warm. There's the blue, purple, dark anyway, very cold. Fantastic stuff. Travis, really good demo. Thank you so much for bringing this to the PPMA show for the big grand reveal. Why is PPMA the right place to be launching this kind of product, this kind of innovation?
It's a very good question. We've actually never exhibited here before, but we chose to exhibit this year because I came with Dylan last year, our managing director, and we were just visiting, and I kid you not, around every corner we met another customer or another prospect or another person we knew, and we thought, it's crazy we're not here. So hence we headed to the back of the show and signed up, and here we are in 2022.
And how has it been going in 2022? You pleased you came?
Yeah, very good. Wednesday today has been fantastic. We've had a lot of customers, a lot of new inquiries onto the stand, and looking forward to following them up next week.
Fantastic stuff. Well, thank you so much for bringing your terrific demo with you. Congratulations on that innovation with a capital I, and look forward to catching up with you maybe in 2023 to see how the business is going. Thanks a lot, Travis.
Excellent. Thank you very much. See you then.
Cheers.